Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Today we discuss our past tense part 3rd, that is past perfect tense. Clear? So everyone open your notebook and note down what is past perfect tense. Third is past perfect tense. Meaning of past perfect tense: the sentences of this tense express the action or events of remote past. It means the sentences of this tense express the action or events of remote past. Okay, so किसके expression करते हैं, means express the action. Which action or events they express about the past. Okay, so this is called our past perfect tense. So as you all know that there are each tense divided into three structure, that is affirmative, negative or interrogative. So same way we divide this also in three parts. So directly you all write down affirmative, negative or interrogative structure. So subject plus, in this we use head plus verb third form, this is called, and remaining sentence. So this is our affirmative structure. This is called affirmative. Clear? Then after that, subject plus head plus not plus verb third form, and then rest of the sentence, this is called negative. Rest of the sentence means object. Clear? Now third structure is head plus subject plus verb third form, rest of the sentence, and then question mark. So this is our interrogative. Clear? So this way we divided into three structures. Subject plus head plus verb third form is affirmative. Subject plus head plus not plus verb third form, and then rest of the sentence is negative. And head plus subject plus verb third form, that is called interrogative. I think everyone clear about this? Next, now write down after, before is used with this tense. Remember one thing, with this tense we use after word and this before word. Okay, now how we use this after and before? So you all note down, that is very important structure. Okay, so first of all, past perfect plus before plus simple past. Clear? After that, second structure is simple past plus after plus past perfect. Now everyone listen carefully, this is very important, and this is very good technique of using before and after. Clear? Before and after. अब देखो कैसे यूज करेंगे हम बेटा. बिफोर से पहले सेंटेंस से एक्सरसाइज आती है, उसमें हमारे बिफोर और आफ्टर के बहुत से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. तो हाउ वी यूज दिस बिफोर एंड आफ्टर? बिफोर के पहले हमेशा पास्ट परफेक्ट आएगा. इट मीन्स वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म वी यूज. ओके, with head we use verb third form and before के after हमेशा simple past आएगा. Clear? It means we use verb second form. Understand? After से पहले simple past आएगा, means before after we use simple past, and after we use past perfect. After के बाद में past perfect आएगा. So this is the use of before and after. This is the very important use of before and after. Clear? I think everyone understand about this before and after. Now how we use? Example, the patient dash. Okay, the patient that before the nurse come. Clear? Now see the example. Here what come? Before is here, and what is the structure? Before से पहले क्या आएगा? Past perfect. What is the past perfect of dead? The patient had died. The patient had died. Before के बाद क्या आएगा? Simple past. It means verb second form. And what is the second form of verb? Come, came, come. The patient had died before the nurse came. This way we use before and after. This is the indicator. Okay? Before and after is indicator. Indicator of past perfect tense. So everyone understand this before and after. Next example, write down. The nurse dash come, then after the patient dash dead. Clear? Same example, only before and after change is there. So the nurse, here after come. So what we use before after? Simple past. Simple past means come second form is what? Came. So the nurse came after the patient. Past perfect. Patient had died. Now everyone understand, I think this use of before and after is very simple. So remember, if before and after word come, so read this structure carefully. Okay, after then you solve your problems. Clear? So before and after uses clear, everyone? Now next write down past perfect continuous. Okay, fourth part is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Write down. Okay, definition write down. This tense is used to express such actions started in remote past and were in progress in the past in the past, the time of beginning the action point, the time of beginning the action point or time period is given in the sentence, clear? So what is past perfect continuous tense? This tense is used to express such actions started in remote past and were in progress in the past, and the time of beginning the action point or time period is given in this sentence. This is called our past perfect continuous tense, clear? So here pattern structures, write down subject plus had been. Remember one thing, in this we use had been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since and for. Use of since and for we read in last class, where we use since, where we use time, for point of time or for period of time. Since we use for point of time and for we use for period of time, clear? For and since plus time is here, okay? So this is our affirmative. Write down, this is our affirmative structure, clear? Second is our negative, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since and for and plus time. This is our negative. This is our negative structure, clear? Next is had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object plus since and for plus time and then question mark. So this is called interrogative. Same, these are three structures, okay? Subject plus had been plus verb first form plus object plus since, for and time, clear? So this is our past perfect continuous tense. Write down example of this past perfect continuous tense. He had been studying for 2 hours last night. 2 hours last night. This is our affirmative, okay? Subject plus had been plus verb ing plus since and for and then time, clear? Next, this is our affirmative sentence. Next, it had not been raining today. It had not been raining today since morning. So here not come. This is negative sentence, clear? Now interrogative, had your brother been buying, had your brother been buying some books for 2 hours yesterday, So this is our interrogative. This is our interrogative. So here our past tense portion, all four parts is completed here. Okay, past tense is completed today. Now in next class we will discuss our future tense. Okay, so this is means here past tense is completed. So thank you and have a nice day. And one more thing, you all fill exercise of this. Okay, fill exercise. Thank you again.